Hi friends, Auntie Cuckoo here, and I'm back at it. We're going back in to see what we can find. Let's go shopping.
So I stopped into Target, and I had to stop in the Bullseye's playground. And I found a few things that I have not seen before. So I'm going to really try to not show you guys anything that I've showed you before. Looks like they put out more Valentine stuff. Now some of it is very similar to the stuff we've seen, but like this love sign, I have not seen this one before. I've seen the other ones it's with. And then these little critters. I showed you all the dog and the poodle, but I have not seen the llama. And I did show you guys the tiger as well, but I did not see this unicorn before. These are only $1. Really super cute. Some string lights that I found that are absolutely adorable. These are the little candy hearts, $3. They also have this super cute set of dogs with a poodle and a bulldog, I think. And then there was a new sign. So I showed you guys the ones behind it, but I found a new llama sign. And this adorable heart banner looks just like the little candy hearts. A new llama pillow. It was only $3, so I tried to zoom in for you all that do look things up using DPCI codes. A new pillow, and I have not seen the ceramic ramekins in pink. I have them in red and white. This cup is new. You're my bestie in the gold. Also a few new candles, super cute in the heart tin, $3. The honeysuckle and then the pineapple punch. I love the jewel background on that one. A few things out in stationery, really cute stapler, and this could be for pens, markers. They also have a coordinating tape dispenser. And then this was new. It was also kind of stuck. Yes, please, just a little sign, something you could put on a desk. They really have out so many adorable things you can give as gifts to little people in your life. This tic-tac-toe set is an example. They have it in a few different versions. They're just kind of like wooden play pieces. These are the outer space animals. They have them in the fairies. They're all $3. They come in this cute little pouch. And they even have a set of little bugs. So they also have a tremendous amount of adorable stationery. I just think this stuff is so cute. They have sets like you saw the burgers and fries, also the donut set. They are $3, but you get a few little flags, post-it notes, and a list. I kept finding a few different of these art portfolios in different versions. Tons of cute Valentines. If you're still looking for something for your child's classroom, it may be worth looking in the Bullseye's playground, or if you're looking for a gift, there are so many cute things. These little power packs have all the popular prints on them, from the unicorns to the llamas. Yes, I was even tempted to buy this unicorn battery charger. Really cute one in the French fries, and then they have it in the candy hearts as well. Some cute little novelty things if you're doing a gift for maybe even Easter, Valentine's Day. Lots of stickers. I'm going to show you guys all the new things that I found, including these phone cases that are so adorable. I wish they fit on my phone, but I believe these are just for the iPhone. They also have ones with just glitter floating in them. Super cute dog, and this one's pretty heavy. They're all $5. and they have a llama. So along those lines of the gifts for little ones, super cute stationery set. And I found so many things that would be fun for crafts, and they're only $1. I thought these were a really good deal. These little foam stickers for the candy hearts, they're only $1. Lots and lots of cute sweet treat themed stickers, ice cream and donuts, all kinds of really cute stuff. Some candy hearts. Some of the pooches. Now these I'm kicking myself for not buying because they're just so cute and they're scented. Little donuts with sprinkles. Some different little socks. Now I was surprised I couldn't find these in adult sizes. These are all children's sizes. And then I found these pouches that are just adorable. They're $3 and you get the little plastic pouch, a pen, a pencil, some stickers, and a notebook. Really cute. And again, all the really popular themes from the llama to the French fries. And this one I think is adorable, mermazing, and the little notebook is a mermaid tail. How cute is that? And look at the little zipper. It's got a little mermaid tail on there too. Just called a pouch set.
It's okay. Oh, it has a friend now.
I think this one's definitely my favorite, but they also have the unicorn. You were born to sparkle. Really, really cute. Some fun little pens. This is a little pen that has 6 different colors in it with the candy hearts on them. I loved these pencils when I was growing up because they could always be sharp. Love these. They're more of a boy print, and then they have more of a feminine print. You get 8 for $1. These are really cute. Each heart is a different color crayon, and they're stackable for $1. And lots of these little Valentines that come on a card with a little toy for $1. I think that's a really great price. It's pretty much already done. Here's more of the cute Valentine card kits. I thought this one was absolutely adorable. These are actually very ingenious because they come with a very large eraser and the Valentine for $3. They have them in boy prints and girl prints. For you guys that do pocket letters, I think these would be perfect, especially you could use the eraser and the Valentine in a pocket. They have them in the pets. And then I found these books that are only $1 of stickers, and I just wanted to show you guys the different stickers in each of them. So that's that book. And now this one, another thing I'm kicking myself for not picking up because that could be year-round. I mean, it's really adorable with all of the sweet treats. And then the more masculine outer space version. Some more adorable Valentines. These are the unicorns. They have the llamas. Some are sitting, some are standing. They're $1. This set is too cute. If I didn't already have my son's Valentines for his class, I would have picked it up. And these are another thing I'm kicking myself for not getting. They're only $1, and how cute would those be strung together with some ribbon and strung across a mirror, maybe in a little girl's room. Lots of craft stuff that I haven't seen before this trip to Target, and in really cute colors, things that you could use all year round if you're a crafter. the pipe cleaners, lots of the little pom-poms in really cute colors. I love this washi. It's pink and glitter. Really, really cute. And then this was actually cool, a holographic set of 4 for $1. These are cute little sets of confetti of little red hearts in different variations. Some are hollow, some are solid. Also just $1. This was fun. They had a few different versions of this little floamy kind of stuff in different shapes, like unicorns. And these jewels all are little adhesive jewels for $1 in a set. The glue pens that are glitter. Some more of the crafty felt items. And some red glitter glue in a very large bottle for $1. Now this is what I really wanted to share with you all because they're adorable. They're stamps, and there's something about them being round like this that I just think are really cute. They're only $1. They're wood stamps. I haven't seen these ones before. I believe I shared in the first or second shop with me for Valentine stuff a few more mature ones. These are definitely younger looking. They had these, which I think were a good deal. They're little play packs, and you get 8 of them for $3. So if you're throwing a party, a birthday party, I would definitely look at these things. They would be great for Valentines as well, but I think they'd be great in grab bags for birthdays. Of course, they had lots of these little notebooks. I know that teachers like to pick these up quite a bit, so I try and show them when I find them in all the different prints. And I believe you get 6 for $3. They even had some novelty Band-Aids. I know a few people use those in pocket letters. Lots of little gel clings. Again, not specific to Valentine's Day. Some of them are. Heartbreaker, which I thought was adorable. And then they're putting out this whole emoji end cap in my dollar section. So these are little books of stickers. They're only $1. They have a few different variations. They're all emoji themed with little twists. So I wanted to make sure that I went through each one to show you kind of what's inside. Here's some more gel clings, lots of fun little buttons, and some jewelry. I thought these little necklace sets were adorable, especially for $3. BFF, the other one, the first one kind of looked like a mother-daughter to me. This one could be anything. I like this for a set of 4 friends. You guys make a complete pizza. Some fun little games this time. Scratch off games. Like little lotto tickets. And they're really playing up the whole Galentine idea. This is a Galentine party game for $1. A few more cute items that I haven't seen before. This white fluffy heart pillow. They are $5. Something like that that's neutral you could get away with a little longer than Valentine's Day, especially in a girl's room. So here is the end cap I was telling you about. It's in my Bullseye's playground, and they have just lots of little tids and bits, cute little things, from washi tape to pens, markers, stickers, mainly stationery things. There are a few pens as far as things you could put on your backpack. And I think together you could make a really cute birthday gift, maybe a little basket out of these things. Very young, I would say 13 and younger. Here's some of the pins. There are even patches. And then this is not with that stuff, but very feminine, very cute. I would say if I were a little girl and I found any of this stuff with the lipstick on it, I would definitely want it. Super cute sets of stationery for only $1. They have the little page flags and different little post-it notes. The lips are adorable. Some stamps that coordinate. Some highlighters. And lots of journals. This one is glittery covered. They have this one that's more of like an iridescent. Lots of notepads with lipstick, nail polish. Very cute. This is an extremely thick notepad. It was $3, but I can see why. It might last you over a year. They have coordinating water bottles that are glass. Some more cute things. This is a folder with a little elastic strap, and if you open it up, it actually has a clipboard on one side and then a folder on the other. $3. This was a last minute find. I found this in my basket and I wanted to share that washi with you guys. It was so cute. Coordinates with this blanket with the candy hearts. These are very soft, $5. They have a few different prints. A few little gifty bags for $1. I like that one a lot. And some really cute socks. These are only $1 and they are adult sizes. Super duper cute. They also have it in the navy. So I think I'm going to wrap this video up for you guys. I'm going to share a few of the adorable plushies they have out for Valentine's Day with you all. I sure hope you enjoyed this trip to my Target Bullseye's Playground. Of course, you know, I'll be back in to see what I can find to share with you all soon. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.